Welcome back to Words of Encouragement. I gotta tell you this hilarious thing. I was looking at my counter this morning and I noticed that my onions have sprouted. I didn't get to them quickly enough, right? And it just reminded me of something that I was thinking about not long ago. And I thought, we go through life, right? Just thinking, that this thing or that thing is the perfect thing for us, whether it's the perfect mate or it's the perfect job. And we think, well, somebody else got that job and it wasn't me. Or somebody else got that person, but they were meant for me, whatever that we may think. But sometimes we can get so hung up on the ideas and the plans that we had made concerning that event, and thinking that our happiness was so tied into that, there's an old saying, you can't see the forest for the trees. Well, in those scenarios, I think we do sometimes get wrapped up and we really and truly can't see the forest for the trees. We can't see that job would have worked us to death, or that person that we thought was so perfect for us, that relationship would have ended in separation because really we didn't have anything in common. Okay? And I was thinking about this the other day and how often in life we tend to do that. And I try to tell myself and remind myself to take a big perspective step and look at it as it's unfolding, because there may be a better job down the way for me than what I thought was the perfect thing. There may be a better mate in life for me down the road than that one person that I was so tied up on and so gripped in thinking was the one for me. And it reminds me of a verse in Romans in 8:28, and we know that all things work together for good to them that love Him, love God, and are the called according to His purpose. So I just want to encourage you with that. And I hope that helps you. And as for these onions that sprouted, well, you know what? I'm going to use these green onions to top my dinner tonight, and won't have to go to the store and make a special trip just to get green onions. I hope this does help you guys. If you're not already subscribed, please do that. And share it with somebody else who needs a word of encouragement. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.